Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Ninja 2030. Today, we're diving into the wild ride of Bitcoin's price history, from when it first started to today in 2025. I'll break it down year by year in a simple way, showing how much one Bitcoin was worth and how much the price changed each year. Let's get started. Starting from 2009, when it was created by someone mysterious named Satoshi Nakamoto. I'll show the approximate price of each year and the percentage change from the previous year. This is based on historical data from trusted sources like CoinGecko, Investopedia, and posts on X. 2009, Bitcoin was born. It had no real price because it wasn't traded yet. People were just experimenting with this new digital money. 2010, 6 cents. Bitcoin started trading. By mid-2010, one Bitcoin was worth about 6 cents. Imagine buying a coffee for thousands of Bitcoins back then. Percentage change, not calculated since 2009, had no price. 2011, 30 cents. Bitcoin jumped to 30 cents by the start of 2011. That's a big deal for something that was almost worthless a year ago. Percentage change, up 400% from 2010. From 6 cents to 30 cents. 2012, $4.70. Bitcoin grew to about $4.70 by the end of 2011. More people started hearing about it, and it was getting some buzz. Percentage change, up 1,466% from 2011. From 30 cents to $4.70. 2013, $13.50. Bitcoin took off. By the start of 2013, it was worth $13.50, and later that year, it even hit $1,000 briefly. Percentage change, up 187% from 2012. From $4.70 to $13.50. 2014, $805. Bitcoin ended 2013 strong at $805. But 2014 was bumpy, with some big drops due to exchange issues like unpacks. Percentage change, up 5,863% from 2013. From $13.50 to $805. 2015, $378.64. Bitcoin's price fell to $378.64 by the start of 2015. It was a tough year, but it was still worth way more than a few years ago. Percentage change, down 53% from 2014. From $805 to $378.64. 2016, $362.73. Bitcoin stabilized around $362.73 at the start of 2016. People were starting to see it as a serious investment. Percentage change, down 4% from 2015. From $378.64 to $362.70. 2017, $963. Wow, 2017 was huge. Bitcoin hit $963 at the start and soared to almost $20,000 by the end. Everyone was talking about it. Percentage change, up 165% from 2016. From $362.73 to $963. 2018, $13,860. Bitcoin started 2018 at $13,860 but crashed later in the year. It was a wild ride after 2017's boom. Percentage change, up 1,339% from 2017. From $963 to $13.86. 2019, $3,717. Bitcoin dropped to $3,717 by the start of 2019. It was a rough year, but it started recovering later on. Percentage change, down 73% from 2018. From $13,860 to $3,717. 2020, $7,161. Bitcoin bounced back to $7,161 at the start of 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic and economic fears pushed it higher by year-end. Percentage change, up 93% from 2019. From $3,717 to $7,161. 2021, $28,993. Bitcoin went crazy in 2021, starting at $28,993 and hitting $64,895 mid-year. Big companies like Tesla got involved. Percentage change, up 305% from 2020. From $7,161 to $28,993. 2022, $47,835. Bitcoin started at $47,835 but fell later due to market crashes and crypto exchange issues like FTX. Percentage change, up 65% from 2021. From $28,993 to $47,835. 2023, $16,625. Bitcoin dropped to $16,625 at the start of 2023 but started climbing again as trust in crypto grew. Percentage change, down 65% from 2022 from $47,835 to $16,625. 2024, $42,500. Bitcoin roared back to $42,500 by early 2024, hitting over $73,000 mid-year thanks to Bitcoin ETF approvals in the US. Percentage change, up 156% from 2023 from $16,625 to $42,500. 2025, $94,566.59. As of January 2025, Bitcoin hit $94,566.59 and climbed to a record $118,839 by July. It's been a massive year with events like the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. Percentage change, up 122% from 2024 from $42,500 to $94,566.59. Note, as of July 16, 2025, Bitcoin's price is around $116,486.19, according to CoinDesk. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Bitcoin's price from zero to over $116,000 in 2025. It's been a wild ride with huge ups and downs, showing how exciting and unpredictable Bitcoin can be. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to, and hit the bell for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.